Yo, I wanted to go through a couple of designs or get kind of a real reaction about some of these donations that were given. We went through a couple of them. So I wanted Daeshawn to check out some of the donations because they're one of our exclusive designers. So I want to get an original reaction. So how about you sit over here, right? And then you kind of pull those out. Give me your thoughts on each one. We're going to put them off to the side.
The first one that catch my eye is this one. Good quality stitching. Like this one. Not doing too much, something simple and just really throw something on really quick. I know everybody's favorite color is green for money. Again, just something simple. Sort of kind of, sophisticated, something a little bit more sophisticated. If that's the look you're going for at that moment. Some more just lounge wear, comfortable. Oh yeah, see, this is what I'm talking about. Yeah. Yeah, EJ needs to Vulgar need to, start doing some more. This right here is what I like. Stuff like this you don't normally see. People don't use their imagination. I like this.
Tell the camera what you seeing over there with that.
Bro. So I don't think can you guys see that? And then you got it's on the hood as well. Again, by Vulgar. On the sleeve, this is like an exclusive. This type of jacket, you'd only make a certain amount of pieces, and only a certain caliber of person would be able to get something like this. This isn't, everybody can't have access to this. Now this is something along the lines of, you just mass produce this. Again, Vulgar on the back, and that's what I like. I like something on the back and the front. Yeah, stuff on the sleeves, the hood, there's something just about everywhere on the jacket is what I really like. we're starting to get into the females for girls, stuff like that. So here you go again. I don't know if you guys can really see that. The spikes and stuff like that. Again, over. Like tie-dye. Pretty much just about something for everybody in here. I like the tie-dye, colorway and stuff like that. I kind of like this. I like tie-dye, just darker colors. I don't like bright color tie-dye. But this is good. Vulgar on the front. Around, got the gold on the back, real big. Got the design on the sleeve right there. Ready for all the guap on the other side over there. So, we're in the process of getting the designer to produce more stuff. He definitely should. I would 10 out of 10 if he actually honed in on his skills and designing skills. Definitely 100% could be a brand that could do great in sales.
So that's our Vulgar review. Stay tuned, we're gonna have some more for you. Check out Daeshawn on Kick at the So West Coast Kick. Gaming, what games do you play on Kick?
Right now, just doing variety gaming. But mainly I play Call of Duty. We'll be setting up the GTA server for the RP, and also be playing like Madden and 2K and stuff like that.
So we want all the smoke. You know what I'm saying? If you're on Kick, holla at us at So West Coast. You know what it is.